What's up, guys? Here for another video. Today we are going to show what's going on right now. Not youtube.com. So, guys, I did say that it's kind of ramping down the severe weather. They just issued a slight risk, and I did say that, but I don't know. I mean, it is ramping down, obviously, because September severe weather goes down, but there's some severe weather going on around here, and oh my gosh, I need to make that tidier. Let's switch it to that. Oh my gosh, that was big. Sorry, guys. So, there's a slight risk of severe weather for for these areas in Colorado for today. I'm gonna actually switch to pivotal weather because their SPC outlooks look a little bit better, in my opinion. But yeah, there is a slight risk of severe weather in this area in Colorado and a little tiny part in Kansas for today. The main threats for that is not really for today. The main threats aren't really hail. I mean, there is some risk for hail, but it's a lot lower. Like, that's like a marginal risk for hail, basically. But it's the wind risk for this area. You have a risk for winds. No hatch, so no crazy wind risk, but some risk for winds in this little area. There's also a slight risk of severe weather in New York and northern Pennsylvania, and it's kind of slides over like that, I'm pretty sure. And so there's probably going to be some severe weather in Canada. But like, yeah, there's also the slight risk, which is probably the other side of it, like just like connecting like that in Michigan for today. The risk for that is basically like, if we go to the categorical, it's basically just the risk for winds for these areas for today. If any of you guys are in these these circled areas, then you guys need to be paying attention to the weather and paying attention to severe thunderstorm warnings. Not really. Is there? There's a 2% chance for tornadoes. Very low tornado risk for today. Just a 2% tornado possible. Like I said the last time I made a video yesterday, tornadoes can happen. It's more than just nothing. I mean, like, that's what I gotta say. And so, yeah, that's that. Maybe one tornado is possible. Still keep an eye on that, but, yeah, the main threats will be winds. If you guys get some severe thunderstorm warnings, and it says 70 mile per hour, 60 mile per hour wind, you guys need to be keeping an eye on the weather, to see if you guys are going to have some bad winds in your area for today. In those three areas in Colorado, Kansas, Michigan, and New York, and northern Pennsylvania for today. So yeah, if you get a severe thunderstorm warning and it goes up and tells you tornado possible, you need to be keeping an eye on that, because that means there's some weak rotation going on from the storm, and they're saying tornado possible from it. And then when if the rotation ramps up a little more, they'll issue a tornado warning. So keep an eye on that. If you get a severe thunderstorm warning, it says tornado possible, because that means there's a tornado possible because there's a little bit of rotation in your area. All right, so now to day 2 categorical. Literally just a marginal risk. In these areas in Wisconsin for today, in this area in New Jersey, Pennsylvania, southern New York, Wyoming, Colorado, Nebraska, South Dakota, a little part of North Dakota, Minnesota, northern Iowa, and Wisconsin for today. So I'm pretty sure, let's see. So yeah, for today, no tornado risks. Don't be like, just because it says less than 2%. What if there's a 1%? There's no such thing as that. there's not going to be a tornado most likely today. Um, there's a risk for hail and wind. Same amount of risk for this. Now, day 3 categorical. A marginal risk in these areas. Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, southern Iowa, Illinois, southern Wisconsin, Michigan, northern Indiana, northern Ohio, central to just most of New York, and northern Pennsylvania for today. That could be upgraded to a slight here soon, by maybe tomorrow or by the day 1 for them. This day 3 is actually, so it's day 1 today, which is Sunday, so that would be like Tuesday, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, now day 4 probabilistic. There's already a slight risk of severe weather. Since it's 4 to 8 days and it's this much out, they make it a 15%. In this area on that little bar, that's 15%, which typically means slight. And then 15% and under means that there's either a marginal or nothing. And so, and the 30% will mean enhanced. They don't show anything more than that, though. But, yeah, that's a slight risk in that could be upgraded to enhanced when the day comes, but I have seen a day 4 probabilistic outlook saying slight, and it just stays slight till day 1. That has happened before, but since it's so far out, there's we don't know if it can be downgraded or upgraded from slight to enhanced. But northern Pennsylvania, a little part of New Jersey, southern New York, southern Vermont, and southern New Hampshire, southern I can't even remember. Maine, yeah. All right, southern New Hampshire and Massachusetts and northern Connecticut. I can't even speak right now, guys. I'm sorry, but yeah, that's 15% for today. Um, so guys, yeah, it's that's the day 6. It's still the same thing, but this is the big change. It goes like really above the average in this whole area. Yeah, it's a lot of heavy rain, but you guys probably get it now if you guys have watched the video. For people who have watched the video. But now, something that I need to be showing you guys. You might be seeing all this rain going on, and you're confused. Why is there this rain going on? Like, why is there rain, like, this much rain right now? Cause Tropical Storm Nicholas just formed in the Gulf of Mexico. You might be thinking, is there gonna be a hurricane? Is it gonna be a hurricane? No. Guys, it's gonna be a high-end tropical storm. 65. It's gonna make landfall. 65 mph and gusts of 75. High-end tropical storm. Um, Luckily, it's not gonna be some crazy hurricane like what happened in Hurricane Ida, but it's still gonna be impactful with this could produce a lot of heavy rain is one of the main threats, and then maybe some winds and some small storm surge is possible in these areas. They just issued a tropical storm watch, and Houston areas are under 5 to 10 inches of rain with higher totals of up to 15 inches. If any of you guys are in these areas up to 15 inches, you need to be careful. That is really dangerous and not good. There could be widespread flooding in these areas, especially for you guys that live near Corpus Christi and Houston. This is where it is right now. It's like right around this area, and this is exactly where it's going to make landfall. Like right there, and then it's going to head into Houston and then go like that. That's literally the exact path. And this dot right here is where it is right now, technically. So yeah. This will be making landfall most likely by September 14th, which is in 2 days. 2 days, guys. September 14th is 2 days from now. Yeah, you guys need to be careful for that. So if you guys see the little subscriber count on the top right of your screen, um, that subscriber count is showing that it says 36 days. It really means 28 days from now. I accidentally just put 36 days. I don't know why. Um, but yeah, that's for that. Maybe we can hit 30 subscribers by 8 days from now if I post enough. But yeah, Corpus Christi is going to be impacted by this. Houston and Brownsville are all going to be impacted by this. Even areas like, if we zoom in, areas like Lake Charles are on the edge of being impacted. This Beaumont, this metro area in Houston, areas like Sugarland, all these areas that are outside of it are going to be impacted by this. I'm pretty sure that the flash flood watch goes through these areas, like that, technically, kind of. I think it's a little different than that. But yeah, let's go to, here. Let's go to Tropical Tidbits, and then I might go to something else. If it just spawns. Come on, Tropical Tidbits. Alright, so yeah. Current storms. Is that it? Tropical Storm 14. What? Oh, okay, so yeah, this is on Tropical Tidbits. This is the storm. See, the S means just that it's a tropical storm right now. And the D just means it's under 39 miles per hour, and the S means 30 under 73, which technically right now it's already a tropical storm in this area, and then it's just gonna head through here. It's gonna be a tropical storm all when it's in water. It's gonna make landfall as a tropical storm and be like tropical storm like that. By 7 a.m. Tuesday, it's gonna make landfall. By 7 a.m. Tuesday. That is not good. That is in 2 days. That main impacts by this will be rain. You guys might be thinking tropical storm. That's not much bad. The rain is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be almost Ida rain, basically, close to, kind of like Ida rain. But Ida had actually more winds, but this is just gonna be more of a wind one. And then this D is where it kind of more becomes a tropical depression, and then by the time it's up here, it becomes post-tropical. And it's basically, if we're seeing, it's just gonna like head kind of like that. Well, I don't know, but it's based on where it's heading. It kind of turns. It's like it's heading straight, and then it kind of shifts that way. Like maybe it could head like that or something. But yeah, that's for that. I think this is the current storm. Wait, I'm gonna go to. This is the storm right now. It's pretty. It's getting more organized. You can tell. You can tell how it's getting more organized. You can tell how it's been getting more organized in this area. I'm pretty sure. I don't know 100%, but I'm pretty sure this is where it is. Like right up here. In that area. So yeah, that's that. Need.com. I don't know if this will show anything, but I mean, it does kind of show. Pretty sure. Yeah, this is the winds. Pretty sure it does kind of show the winds kind of ramping up in this area. So yeah, this, if you want to show, if I can show this to you guys, it's technically right in this area right now, and it's gonna be like that, and it's gonna head straight into Houston like that. Oh, why did it just become so big? So that's basically what it's gonna do. I'm pretty sure, guys, so this might ramp it up for this video for today, guys. You know what? I might be making some, like, gaming videos or, like, some other stuff besides weather. Maybe if you guys want me to. Like, just tell me in the comments if you guys think it's a good idea for me to, make some gaming videos for today, guys. Well, the only way for you guys to comment is if you've watched the whole video until the end. So yeah, um, that's gonna be the end of the video for today, guys. I hope you guys like this. Um, I hope you guys think, I don't know, but do you guys think I'm starting to make better videos, like in general? Am I starting to make better videos? I don't know if you guys think I am. I just want to know. Um, but I do think it's an improvement from recording on my phone. Okay. Okay. Well, bye guys.